We're let them know we're going green out of 4, 12 laps. Bird will lead them off. To the top side of Garrett Caswell out of 3 for that P2 position. Blake Holmes back there at the rear of the field. David Castle pulling up there. Up there, there's the 12. Got that man popping power. Jack Money's back there. Caution, caution, caution. After caution, your points in out of third, let him off. David Campbell runs second in your points. It's right there. Top side of Bird out of 4. He'll bring out a caution because he took it on off the track, but hopefully he's got somebody down there to maybe change him over. Blake Holmes comes down in the infield pit as well. Caution, caution, caution. Caution. Blake Holmes running to the top side of the Junction City driver, David Capel. Out of 2. Looking to the inside of 0-4 miles of Bird. Gave it a little bump. He held on to it. He'll lose the position off of that. The Drake Bowmeyer. Bowmeyer gives Bird a little bump. Uh-oh. Branson said Drake Bowmeyer will win this one tonight. With Dylan Richards' whole car, he goes top side of 3. Capel looks at him on the inside, rubs his quarter panel, something happens to Bird out of 4. Bowmeyer shows it over Capel on the inside, 3 wide and a 1, and he's forced out back. No! To pick up a sport compact championship. Oh, she goes around. Oh, no. Oh, no. And no, just as I said that, that'll put David Capel out there in front, and he will pick up your 2020 IMCA Sport Compact Track Championship tonight. No way. Caswell don't sound good. Capple's down here in the infield pit, getting his tire changed over.
What happened?
I don't believe she'll get her position back, but we'll have to wait and see.
Did she get mine? She's supposed to...
Big green white checkers. Drake Bollmeyer lead them off. Uh-oh, if David Capel can get up there. Zach Montague to the inside of Allison Bird. Shows his number to David Capel. Capel right there on the outside of Allison Bird. That'll be for your championship, ladies and gentlemen. Drake Bollmeyer up front. He'll get the white this time by. Capel in second. Bird in third. Bird in back there in fourth. Attitude. The 24X, just like Branson Jr. called it. He said Drake Bollmeyer. He'll bring it down here to your O'Reilly Auto Parts, Salina Speedway, Victory Lane, picking up the feature win, championship night. Drake Bollmeyer. David Capel will win your points tonight. Well, no, he won't. It'll be Allison Bird pulling down here in your O'Reilly Auto Parts, Victory Lane, as your COVID 20 Salina Speedway IMCA track champion.
Closer like we love each other. Hey, Allie, it's been years since last time we were in Victory Lane.
1, 2, 3, cheese.
I got several for you.